The thing that's really nice about Mosquito for screening is its flexibility. It can be used to set up low volume assay plates, serial dilutions, reformatting from different plate types right through 96 right through to 1536. So it's really a flexible tool for the screener. Mosquito is extremely easy to use. There's no setup changes required for different plate types or even liquid viscosities. You simply walk up to it, select your protocol and you can run. Mosquito is great for low volume serial dilutions. We can carry out an entire serial dilution in less than 1 microliter total volume, which is absolutely unprecedented compared to traditional liquid handlers. We can dispense, aspirate, mix all within the bottom of the well, meaning a regular dilution series can be created and then we can re-access that very low volume and stamp it out into 1 or more assay plates for a low volume assay-ready dilution. The Mosquito bulk dispense module allows high volume additions to be made in conjunction with the low volume additions that the Mosquito head can make. This means that we can make on-the-fly dilutions or simply add media to assay plates after they've been created with Mosquito without a robotic plate moving step in between. The benefits of Mosquito for assay miniaturisation are that it has a really low dead volume in the source plate as well as negligible hold-up volume in the tip, so sample use is really optimised. Also, it's extremely flexible and extremely fast. Another key benefit is that the pipettes are disposable and hence there's no chance of cross-contamination, which is a particular issue at such low volumes. The pipette tips are uniquely stored on a continuous spool, meaning that storage is extremely high density. 36,000 tips can be stored on one spool, which is only about this big. Mosquito pipette tips can pierce directly through foil or plastic plate seals, meaning samples within the plate can be kept at their optimal condition prior to use. At the heart of the Mosquito system are its disposable positive-displacement pipettes. This is completely unique for an automated pipetting system, and it means that there's no system liquid and no air gap between the piston that's moving the liquid and the liquid itself. This gives us unrivaled pipetting accuracy and repeatability, particularly at low nanoliter volumes compared to any other system across a huge range of viscosities and surface tension liquids. Mosquito is a really reliable instrument. It's extremely fast and it's extremely user-friendly, and that's what our users really love about it. When it's in the lab, they're never afraid to use it. They walk up to it, put their plates on, it works every time, and that is the beauty of the Mosquito instrument. Hit picking from plates is a slow and laborious task, and it can be very inefficient because there's only a few hits per plate. Mosquito X1 is a single-tip version of Mosquito using the same disposable pipette tip system, but only using one tip at a time. So it's ideal for hit picking from a stack of source plates into assay-ready hit-picked plates. It allows access from any plate type, any well, into any well of any assay plate type. Mosquito X1 is an extremely fast hit-picking system. Because the tips are fed continuously into the head of the instrument, we can make an aspiration and a dispense and change tips within a 6-second cycle time. Dead volumes are minimised on Mosquito X1 because the tips reach right to the bottom of the source wells, so primary compound stocks are conserved. We've developed the Cherry Picker software to work with an integrated Mosquito X1 system to automatically read in hits from a limb system, convert them into an optimised protocol for Mosquito, and let the software manage the entire run for you. The Mosquito pipette tips can pierce directly through foil plate seals, meaning pre-sealed stacks of plates can be fed into the system and accessed directly. The Mosquito pipette tips are stored on a high-density spool, meaning 26,000 hits can be picked between spool changes.
Our vision is simply to provide scientists with cutting-edge tools that really are a pleasure to use, that are reliable and supported with a passion and commitment that I think comes naturally to an employee-owned company. I love my Mosquito is a phrase I hear so many times from many users of this nanoliter dispenser. I just love the fact that our customers are passionate about this laboratory instrument. It's easy to use and probably the most reliable instrument on the planet.
Mosquito's precise nanoliter volumes and highly accurate drop placement don't just cut down on manual pipetting errors and labour, but they also ensure much better drop uniformity and allow a given amount of sample to go much further.